See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile.
Hey there guys, it's Paul Archer from dronesgear.com, and today we're gonna see if it's worth it to buy a silent set of propellers for your DJI Mavic Pro. I got myself a set of original DJI propellers and a set of copycat ones from gearbest.com, just to see if there's any difference, and we're going to compare the sound of each with the original ones to see if it's worth changing. There is no real difference between the original silent props and the copycat ones. The copy ones have golden tips and seem to be a little more textured. By the way, I heard some people saying that the new propellers don't fit on the original Mavic Pro, but that's bullshit. They fit in there perfectly and the drone flies without a problem. As you can see, you can fold it up just normally without anything sticking out, and the props definitely don't touch each other in flight. The main visual difference between the new silent props and the old ones is that the silent ones have a flared tip instead of a squared off tip, which should make them more silent. The new propellers are also a little bit longer and wider. With that out of the way, let's see if there's any noise difference when taking it outside. As you could probably hear, there's an observable sound difference between the silent ones and the original. In real life, I could say the difference is more noticeable, but certainly there's about 2 to 4 decibels off from the standard propellers. Might not sound like much, but I would say the sound is way less annoying. Let's test the sound inside too. Maybe that will make a difference. As you could hear, the noise difference is considerable. I could not spot any change between the copy and the original ones, but I would probably pick the originals just because they have a smoother texture and that might help with aerodynamics. But I might just be picky. Anyway, there's links for both in the description. This was it, guys. As a conclusion, I totally recommend you buy the silent propellers because they will actually help in real life situations. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon for future videos like this. See you later, alligator!
See you later, alligator.